Hello and welcome. I'm using my phone as a microphone. Moving on. My name is Michelle Montana. Oh, live action. This is my interior design YouTube channel. However, we are on the very beautiful and historic street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We are technically in Allegheny West. This is Beech Avenue. It's a short street. It starts at Allegheny Avenue and then it's about 3 blocks and it goes to Brighton Road. There's a lot of history that goes along with this street, including 2 literary icons, one of which being Gertrude Stein. You may have heard of her. The other being Mary Roberts Reinhardt, who I only learned of today. There are plaques up and down the street that give you the full history. I'm going to do the best I can. Really, I'm here to show you things that I like. I'm not a history buff, unfortunately. So if you're looking for a history lesson, you're going to get a bad one. We start off over here on the left with a beautiful Gothic architecture church. It is now known as the Calvary Methodist Church. That's all I know about it. But it is quite lovely to look at. Turning back around, we have Mary Roberts Reinhardt's. Her home, it's not the most exciting one on the block, so we're going to move on. Okay. There's so many beautiful different types of architecture that it's just fun to walk down this street. I couldn't tell you what kind of, maybe it's Georgian. I don't know. But there's also very French style architecture and Queen Anne style architecture that I'll try to point out as best I can. So this row of houses behind me, they are Queen Anne style. They have the matching dormers, but they have matching dormers and the fish scale tile roof tiles, which are classic Queen Anne styles. What I really love about this street as we come and look at this garden here, there's gardens literally all over the street, but everyone really takes pride in their homes, probably because they have a little bit of history to upkeep. But I love these wrought iron gates, and everyone just has the most magical little gardens. It's giving secret garden. Okay, so this is something that I didn't know about until my husband pointed it out to me. He's our lovely cameraman today. This is literally where you would tie your horse up. And this is a little stepping stone for helping you get off your horse. And so there aren't as many of these on the street, we noticed, but there's a bunch of these little stepping stones. How cool is that? I'm not 100% positive, but I'm pretty sure with these historic homes that the city does help with the maintenance and the restoration of the homes just to preserve them. So, you can see this house is kind of being worked on a bit, but I assume that they're getting some government help, which is nice that, the government cares. Something that I like to imagine is that the interiors semi-match the exteriors, that people try to honor the architecture and interior architecture of the homes. And you can kind of tell that some people do, just because there aren't shutters on this home, but they have more of a vintage style curtain, and there are shutters up and down, and I like to think that they care about their interior as well. This one behind me, I'm just here because this is one of my favorites. I mean, I know that it's painted over the wood and stuff, but just something about this color green and like the double doors and the way that they have their pots and everything. I'd buy it. I just think it's so beautiful. Here it is. Gertrude Stein was born in this house. I'm going to read the thing so I'm not giving false information. In this house on February 3rd, 1874, Gertrude Stein was born to Daniel and Amelia Stein, author, poet, feminist, playwright, and catalyst in the development of modern art and literature. I am not an expert in architecture. However, my best guess would be that this would be a Roman style home, given it has these large stones and it's quite symmetrical. Also, the dome shape or arch shape. But this is pretty different for this street. Doesn't necessarily match the rest, but it is really beautiful. I love all this wood paneling on the front. And of course, the way that these bricks are done, where they're kind of checkerboardish, yeah. And it's just different from the rest. But I can't say enough about that wood and those big, gorgeous windows. Across the street, there's another similar Roman style, equipped with a horse and buggy stepping stone. I'm going to leave you here. We're pretty much at the end of the good bit of the street. There's like a little bit left, but it's not as exciting. It's more like modern stuff. Anyways, we're going to leave off at this beautiful Georgian style home equipped with a Subaru Forester. Yeah, this is a really good one too. I love the arch details, and I'm not sure. It's interesting how worn away they are. It looks like they were plastered over at some point, which is kind of bizarre to do, taking away the good detail. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of Beech Avenue here in Pittsburgh. And let me know what you think, if you want to do more of these or if you want me to be more knowledgeable. I think it's fun to just like point out things that you like and just to see a different place, somewhere that maybe you've never been. Take a little stroll with me. So that's it. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to and watch something else maybe. I love you. Goodbye.